If you start off on the right foot, knowing what you're doing, you definitely can see success within the first month of selling on Etsy. You don't have to wait around for the algorithm to pick you up. If you're implementing some strategy, you can start getting sales right away. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany, and here on YouTube I share tips and strategies for you to start and grow your handmade business. Lately, I've been making a lot of videos about Etsy because it is an amazing platform to sell your handmade products, but soon I will be expanding my content to include other platforms and other aspects of running a handmade business. Basically, I want to help you see rapid success in your business so you don't waste time trying things out and doing things that don't actually move the needle forward and make you sales in your business. I want you to start getting sales as soon as possible so you can focus on the creative aspect of your business, which is probably what you started doing this for in the first place. If you are a handmade business owner or you want to start a business selling your handmade products soon, then definitely hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find value in it. Okay, so before I get into the numbers, I want you to know that I started my Etsy business with only 5 products. I will be putting out a video next week going into how many products you actually need to start an Etsy shop, but I started with just 5 products. Obviously, the number of products that you start out with in your business is going to have an effect on how much you make that first month. But if you only have a few products to start, then I wouldn't waste time getting started. I started out with 5 products because I didn't want to waste time getting my shop started. It takes a lot of time and money to get a product out there on the market ready for sale, and I personally needed to be making money as soon as possible to fuel my business forward. I put out a video recently on how to optimize your listings for SEO to get shown in search in just the first few weeks of selling on Etsy, and that's going to be crucial no matter how many products you have, but especially if you only have a few products. So I will have that video linked right up here for you to check out. Okay, now let's get into the numbers and I will show you how much I made on Etsy my first month and how much Etsy took. As you can see, I actually opened up my shop on March 8th, 2020. But as you can see, I didn't do any work on my SEO, and so I was getting basically no views or visits for the first couple of weeks. At the end of March, I spent like 15 minutes on my SEO, and as you can see, that's when things really started for my shop. So these stats are basically only for a few weeks of selling on Etsy. And as you can see up here, I've made 32 sales total, and my total revenue is $630.27. But my actual revenue is more like $500, and let me explain to you why. So let's go over here into finances. As you can see over here, $748.60 is how much customers have paid me in total. When a customer pays for a product, they also pay for the shipping as long as the order is under $35. If it's over $35, they just pay for the product and I cover the shipping. So say someone makes a purchase for $16.99. They actually send over, say, $23, which includes the shipping. Etsy marks my revenue over here as $16.99 because shipping wouldn't be considered revenue. But then there are Etsy fees that Etsy actually pulls from this revenue. Those fees include listing fees, which add up to $12.80. I tried out Etsy ads for a few days until I decided it wasn't worth it and closed that down, and I spent $8.92. Transaction fees totaled $37.82. So my actual take-home dollar amount for my first month on Etsy with only 5 products is $494.72. Now obviously that's not a whole lot, but I am happy with it considering it's my first month and considering I only have a few products. I actually prefer starting off a little bit slow because that gives me time to figure things out, like my packaging, customer interactions, and just my whole system with creating products and getting them out the door. It would have been extremely overwhelming for me if I'd started out with 50 products, optimized each listing, and seen the success that I've seen with just these 5 products. I sell 1 or 2 orders a day and that's been perfect, but moving forward I'm definitely ready to start putting out more products and get that revenue way up. You really do have some control here with how much you make. It depends on the price of your product, how well you can niche it down to show up higher in search, and how many products you put out. I made around $500 my first month on Etsy with only a few products in a pretty saturated niche. So if you're wanting to replace your income in just a few months on Etsy, it's definitely possible as long as you're putting out more products and optimizing your SEO. And of course, as long as you have a good product with good photos. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to put out more content like this. And leave me a comment letting me know what you sell on Etsy or what you're planning to sell. I personally sell bath bombs, but I am curious to know what you all sell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.